Every day, we leave digital breadcrumbs, tweets, posts, likes, building a public footprint. In today's world, understanding how to track and analyze social media data is a superpower. Today, we're diving into the most powerful Osint tools for social media tracking. These tools are for ethical, legal use only. Think journalism, cybersecurity, and research. Let's jump in with a true powerhouse in the Osint community. First up is Maltego, a complete investigation platform designed for mapping digital relationships and uncovering hidden connections in the vast world of data. Whether you're a professional investigator, a journalist, or just someone curious about how information is linked online, Maltego offers a powerful set of tools to help you visualize and understand complex networks. With Maltego, you can start with just a single clue, like a username, email address, or even a phone number, and watch as it expands into a sprawling web of connections. The software automatically searches for links, revealing how one small piece of information can lead to dozens or even hundreds of related data points. Its intuitive visual interface lets you see, at a glance, how people, accounts, websites, and even organizations are interconnected. Each node and line tells a story, making it easy to spot patterns, relationships, and potential leads that might otherwise go unnoticed. By running transforms, you can pull data from a wide range of public sources, everything from social media profiles to domain registrations. These transforms help you uncover real names behind aliases, discover other profiles linked to the same person, and identify frequent contacts or collaborators, all with just a few clicks. When it comes to social media investigations, Maltego truly shines. It's perfect for mapping out influence networks, tracking the spread of information, or spotting coordinated activity among groups of accounts. This makes it invaluable for anyone looking to understand how information flows online. Even if you're just getting started, the free version of Maltego gives you a taste of its impressive capabilities. You can experiment with basic transforms and visualizations, making it accessible for beginners while still offering plenty of power for more advanced users. For anyone serious about open source intelligence, or Osint, Maltego is an essential tool. It streamlines the process of gathering, analyzing, and visualizing data, saving you countless hours of manual research and helping you make sense of complex digital landscapes. Ultimately, Maltego isn't just about finding isolated pieces of data, it's about seeing the bigger picture. It helps you connect the dots, revealing the underlying structure of digital relationships and giving you a comprehensive view of your investigation. If you want both context and powerful visualization in your investigations, Maltego is your go-to tool. It transforms raw data into actionable intelligence, making the invisible connections visible. Next up is Social Searcher. Think of it as your real-time pulse monitor for the entire social media landscape. In a world where conversations move at lightning speed, Social Searcher helps you stay ahead by capturing what's happening right now across the platforms that matter most. With Social Searcher, you can track keywords, hashtags, or even specific users across major platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Reddit, all from a single unified dashboard. No more switching between tabs or missing out on important mentions. Everything you need is right at your fingertips, updated in real time. The platform delivers live mentions and powerful analytics, including sentiment analysis, top users, and trending keywords. Instantly see how people feel about a topic, who's driving the conversation, and which trends are gaining momentum, all visualized through intuitive graphs and charts. You can easily set up custom alerts to monitor your name, brand, or any topic you care about. Get regular digests or instant notifications so you're always in the loop, whether you're at your desk or on the go. The free version of Social Searcher is surprisingly robust, offering a generous set of features that let you start monitoring right away without any upfront cost. It's a great way to test the waters before deciding if you need more advanced options. Social Searcher is perfect for brand managers who need to protect their reputation, journalists tracking breaking news, or anyone interested in following public sentiment as it evolves. It's a versatile tool that adapts to a variety of needs and industries. The focus here is on broad, real-time awareness, capturing the heartbeat of social media as it happens, rather than diving deep into historical data. It's about knowing what's trending, what's urgent, and what's being said right now. If you need instant insights and want to stay on top of the latest conversations, Social Searcher is the tool you'll want in your arsenal. It's fast, intuitive, and designed for those who can't afford to miss a beat. At number 3 on our list, let's introduce you to Spiderfoot, the true automation powerhouse in the world of Osint, or open source intelligence. If you've ever wished for a digital assistant to handle the heavy lifting of online investigations, Spiderfoot is exactly that. It's designed to make your life easier by automating the most time-consuming parts of the process. All you need to do is give it a target, whether that's a domain, an IP address, a person's name, or even just a username. With a single click, Spiderfoot springs into action, automatically querying hundreds of online sources and databases on your behalf, gathering a wealth of information in just minutes. It excels at scanning for usernames across dozens of social media platforms and online services, automating what would otherwise be a tedious and repetitive manual task. This means you can quickly discover where a username appears, track digital footprints, and uncover hidden connections without breaking a sweat. You're in control. Choose exactly which modules or investigation options to run so you can focus only on the data that matters most to your specific case or research project. This customization ensures your scans are both efficient and relevant. Once the scan is complete, Spiderfoot presents the results in clear, easy-to-understand reports and interactive graphs. These visualizations help you see how different data points connect, making it simple to spot patterns, relationships, and potential leads. Whether you prefer a powerful open-source tool you can run locally or a commercial cloud-based solution with extra features and convenience, Spiderfoot has you covered. Both options offer robust capabilities for investigators of all levels. For automating the initial phase of any digital investigation, Spiderfoot is truly unbeatable. It saves you hours of manual work, letting you focus on analysis and decision-making instead of data collection. Think of it as your personal Osint butler, tirelessly gathering intelligence, connecting the dots, and delivering actionable insights right to your screen. With Spiderfoot, you save valuable time and get results faster, making your investigations smarter and more efficient than ever before. Tool 4 is TweetDeck, the ultimate dashboard for Twitter power users. Organize your timeline, notifications, DMs, and custom searches in columns. Track hashtags, users, or lists, all in real time on one screen. Set up advanced searches, filter by location or sentiment, and manage multiple accounts. Schedule tweets, collaborate, and monitor conversations with ease. It's free, robust, and officially supported by Twitter. If you're serious about Twitter tracking, TweetDeck is a must. One platform, total control. Number 5 is Hootsuite, the cross-platform social media management giant. Monitor keywords, hashtags, and mentions across Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and more. Set up streams for each platform, all in one dashboard. Paid plans unlock advanced listening, sentiment analysis, and influencer tracking. Generate detailed analytics and reports to understand reach and impact. It's more than scheduling. It's a powerful monitoring tool for organizations. For managing and tracking a wide social presence, Hootsuite is top tier. Centralize your social media intelligence. Number 6 is Sherlock, a command line tool for username hunting. Enter a username and Sherlock checks hundreds of sites for matches. Instantly see where a username is registered, across social networks, forums, and more. It's the fastest way to map someone's digital presence. Open source, easy to use, and constantly updated. Perfect for building a digital profile from just a username. No fancy interface needed, just results. Sherlock is a fundamental OSINT step. At 7, we have Twint, the unofficial Twitter scraper for serious data collection. Scrape massive amounts of tweets without API limits or keys. Gather user histories, hashtags, or geo-tagged tweets going back years. Export data for analysis in CSV or JSON. Flexible search options let you target exactly what you need. It's a command line tool, so some tech skill is required. For large-scale Twitter research, Twint is unmatched. Unlock Twitter's data like never before. Number 8 is Snoop Snitch, an Android app for mobile network and metadata security. It detects threats like fake cell towers and analyzes mobile radio data. Use it to check if social media apps leak metadata, like GPS info in photos. It's for advanced users with rooted Android devices. Snoop Snitch highlights the hidden risks in mobile social media use. Security isn't just about apps, it's about networks too. Harden your operational security with Snoop Snitch. Number 9 is Follower Wonk. Deep analytics for Twitter followers. Search Twitter bios, compare users, and analyze follower demographics. Find connections, shared followers, and audience locations. Generate detailed reports on activity, influence, and reach. Free and paid plans available. Perfect for understanding who's behind a Twitter account. Turn simple follower counts into actionable intelligence. Follower Wonk brings clarity to Twitter's social web. Number 10 is the Osint framework, a web-based directory of hundreds of Osint tools. Browse by category: usernames, emails, social networks, public records, and more. Find curated lists of tools for each platform and task. The framework is constantly updated, keeping you on the cutting edge. It's the first stop for anyone new to Osint. Organize your investigations and discover new resources. Bookmark it. It's your map to the Osint universe. The Osint framework empowers your research. That's 10 of the most powerful Osint tools for social media tracking. Each leverages public data to reveal the digital world's hidden patterns. Use these tools ethically and legally. Always respect privacy and the law. The line between research and invasion is thin. Stay on the right side. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech insights. Let us know your favorite tool in the comments. See you in the next one.